The government has warned against a large-scale cyber attack against individuals and businesses, which will start today. This warning came earlier, but it's expected that the cyber attack will start today, where the attackers may use COVID-19 as a bait to steal personal and financial information. India Cybersecurity Nodal Agency, CERT-In, has issued an advisory warning that potential phishing attacks could impersonate government agencies and departments. Well, to talk more about this, we're joined by Amit Dubey, cyber expert. Thank you so much, Mr. Dubey, for joining us. So explain to us, what sort of phishing attack are we expecting, and people could receive emails which talk about some sort of funds that the government is making available to them, and click on it, and then their information becomes available to the people?
Yeah, again, there are many such types of phishing attacks. Those will be used and targeted lakhs of people in next week, and mostly in a couple of days, because I found this detail on dark web. And more than 2 million email IDs of Indian people are available there. Those are active, and Chinese hackers are using it to make these phishing attempts on them and to steal data and informations. Their actually major interest is on critical infrastructures like railways, and they have also published a list of companies in various forums, like we will be targeting these companies and government organizations. And the people those are actually managing these servers and informations, they will be their first target and priorities, not the common public, of course, but because this mail will go and broadcast it to all people, I'm sure even a common man will also be supposed to be fished through these attacks. So that's why their major luring opportunities is through COVID-19 test that they are using. I always say, because today is an yoga day, and I always say all these phishing attempts, these are made based on the human vulnerabilities. And we have 5 human vulnerabilities, as we say, that we have derived it from Bhagavad Gita: Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Bhay, Ahankar. So your greed, lust, fear, and your anger and your ego. These are the things those are exploited by hackers. So this time they are exploiting your fear and especially your greed. So that is something which we need to take care of. And we should not get tempted to these emails and messages and WhatsApp messages, because all these things will be used in next few days prominently.
Right. So already we've seen this warning of this massive phishing attack by malicious actors by the center, and I'm assuming the government is taking care for its personnel as well to ensure that they don't fall for any of these mails that may drop into their inbox.
Right. And I would also like to add here a few more things. There are 2 types of attacks that those are actually generated through these Chinese hackers. We call them APT attacks, advanced persistent threats. And if you remember last week only, when there was an alert from a central law enforcement agencies, there are some groups in China like APT 36. So we call them, we name them from different numbers: APT 1 to 2 to 9 and 10, then 30 and 40. So there are different groups, 35 to 40 groups from China. Those are attributed for these kind of attacks. So APT 36 have actually installed a backdoor in railway information system. So that was an alert, and they wanted to sense the information of platoon movement or the defense movement which is happening through railway and special trains. So that is something which is very serious, and which has been happening since years. So I would not say this is, but then there are 2 types of bodies. One, they are state-sponsored bodies, number of groups from China. They are not only targeting India, but also Australia and US. Regularly to challenge their critical infrastructure and these government bodies. And the other type of attacks, those are for common man, public, to create some fear around them and to get their data so that they can manipulate this information later.